Structured Query Language Database Backup and Restore. Protecting and recovering your database assets. Why database backups matter. Critical reasons to backup. Disaster recovery. Protection against data corruption. Software and hardware failures. Human error mitigation. Business continuity. Types of structured query language database backups. Full backup. A complete backup of the entire database including all objects, system tables, and data. Simplest recovery option. Requires more storage space. Longer backup operation time. Self-contained recovery point. Differential backup. Backs up only the data that has changed since the last full backup. Faster than full backups. Requires less storage space. Recovery requires full plus differential. Grows larger over time. Transaction log backup. Captures all transactions since the last log backup, enabling point-in-time recovery. Smallest backup size. Highest backup frequency. Point-in-time recovery. Most complex recovery process. Common backup strategies. Effective backup approaches. Full backup only. Simplest approach with regular full backups. Best for smaller databases where backup window and storage aren't concerns. Full plus differential. Weekly full backups with daily differential backups. Balances backup time and storage requirements. Full plus transaction log. Weekly full backups with frequent transaction log backups. Offers point-in-time recovery with minimal data loss. Full plus differential plus log. Comprehensive strategy with weekly full, daily differential, and hourly log backups. Optimal for critical databases. Creating structured query language database backups. Structured Query Language Server Management Studio, or SSMS. Using the graphical interface in SSMS to create backups. 1. Right-click on database. 2. Select tasks then backup. 3. Choose backup type. 4. Set destination. 5. Configure options. 6. Click OK. T-SQL commands. Using Transact Structured Query Language to perform database backups. Full backup example. Backup database adventure works to disk equals c:\backups adventure works. Back with compression init. Structured query language server agent jobs. Schedule automated backups using structured query language server agent. Create job step to run backup. Use MSDB. Execute DBO at _job at job_name equals daily backup. Execute DBO at _job step at job_name equals daily backup at step_name equals full backup at subsystem equals T-SQL at command equals backup database. Advanced backup options. Compression. Reduces backup file size, saving storage space and potentially speeding up backup and restore operations. Backup database adventure works to disk equals c:\backup a w.back with compression. Copy-only backups. Creates a backup without affecting the backup sequence or breaking the log chain. Useful for ad hoc backups. Backup database adventure works to disk equals c:\backup a w_copy back with copy_only. Encryption. Protects sensitive data by encrypting the backup file. Requires a certificate or asymmetric key. Backup database adventure works to disk equals c:\backup a w_enc.back with encryption. Open parenthesis algorithm equals AS_256, server certificate equals backup cert, close parenthesis. Striping. Splits backup across multiple files for improved performance and to handle very large databases. Backup database adventure works to disk equals c:\backup a w_1 back, disk equals d:\backup a w_2.back with format. Database restore process. 1. Preparation phase. Identify backup files needed, ensure sufficient disk space, and verify proper permissions. Determine recovery model and recovery point objectives. 2. Restore full backup. Start with the most recent full backup. This establishes the base recovery point. Specify no recovery option if more backups will be applied afterward. 3. Apply differential and log backups. If available, apply the most recent differential backup or sequence of transaction log backups to bring the database to the desired recovery point. For recovery completion, finalize the restore with recovery option. This makes the database available for use and rolls back any uncommitted transactions. Database restore options. No recovery. Controls whether the database is left in a restoring state or no recovery, for additional backups to be applied, or made available for use or recovery. Restore database adventure works from disk equals c:\backups / a w.back with no recovery. Stop at. Specifies a point in time to recover to. Used with transaction log backups for point-in-time recovery. Restore log adventure works from disk equals c:\backups / a w_log.rn with stop at equals 2023-06-15T14:30:00. Move. Relocates database files to different locations during restore. Useful when restoring to a different server or path configuration. Restore database adventure works from disk equals c:\backups / a w.back with move adventure works _data 2d: data adventure works mdf. Replace. Overwrites an existing database. Use with caution as it will destroy any existing database with the same name. Restore database adventure works from disk equals c:\backups / a w.back with replace. T-SQL examples backup and restore. Backup examples. Full backup with compression. Backup database adventure works to disk equals c:\backups / a w_fold-up-back with compression, init. Differential backup. Backup database adventure works to disk equals c:\backups / a w_diff.back with differential. Restore examples. Restore full backup. Restore database adventure works from disk equals c:\backups / a w_fold-up-back with no recovery. Apply differential backup. Restore database adventure works from disk equals c:\backups / a w_diff.back with recovery. Transaction log backup. Backup transaction log. Backup log adventure works to disk equals c:\backups / a w_log.rn with init. Tail log backup during disaster. Backup log adventure works to disk equals c:\backups / a w_tail log.rn with no recovery. Point-in-time recovery. Restore full backup first. Restore database adventure works from disk equals c:\backups / a w_fold-up-back with no recovery. Apply log to specific point. Restore log adventure works from disk equals c:\backups / a w_log.rn with recovery. Stop at equals 2023-10-1514:30:00. Backup and restore best practices. Documentation. Maintain comprehensive documentation of your backup strategy and procedures. Document backup schedules and retention policies. Keep detailed restore procedures. Update docs after any backup configuration changes. Security. Protect your backups from unauthorized access and potential threats. Encrypt sensitive database backups. Use strong access controls for backup locations. Securely store backup encryption keys. Testing. Regular backup testing ensures your recovery plans will work when needed. Schedule regular restore tests. Validate database integrity after restore. Test point-in-time recovery procedures. Monitoring. Implement robust monitoring to ensure backup jobs are completing successfully. Set up alerts for failed backup jobs. Monitor backup storage space. Track backup duration and performance. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.